definitely loving what you got on the oven right now. Smells like another hit. But before we serve up this plate, let me add my flavor to the pot. Now turn my mic up to a high flame as I kick game. Check it. Now when I start to spit, you're getting hit with a massive rhyme flow. I be coming off the top like Janet Jackson at the halftime show. Live on stage, I'm not afraid to bear it all. When I captivate the crowd, if a pin drops, you can hear it fall. I still hold more mics than Bob Barker. Got you hanging on my words like drips of ink from a marker. I'm old school kid, I wasn't born yesterday. Just play my music loud and watch me move the crowd like pepper spray. I spit that hot shit like a kettle. Bump like heavy metal, pump like every ghetto block where they handle the rock like metal lock. Lemon, I got the fly women on the jock. That brother Ock came to wake the dead like a trumpeter. Take heads and break bread with the comforter. Plus I aim to give the party people something to dance to. This jam is brand new, so pump it up. Pump it up, come on, pump it up. Yeah, yeah, hey yo. These rappers better stop trying to play crazy, trying to play me close. You need to play ghost like Patrick Swayze. Cause once you see me hitting the stage, I want you going in 60 seconds like Nicolas Cage. Cause your 15 minutes are done, it's time to pack it up. Don't just say what you're gonna do, back it up. Hurry up and make your point, kid, come on, snap it up. I heard you rap, now I need for you to wrap it up. Wrap it up, come on, wrap it up. Yeah, oh yeah, that looks good. But hold up, let me add a little bit more. Let me stir this in, check it out. I used to burn more trees than the California wildfires. Plus I got a freestyle that every ghetto child admires. Crack the L, twist it up and get blunted, and watch your whole crew go down like Flight 800. But that's easy. The hard part was kicking the habit. When I got done with the mic, you was too chicken to grab it. Cause when the going gets rough, I'm flowing off the cuff. I'll eat rappers literally if they soft enough. Some even come with the cream filling, but that's wine. I spend time with my team chillin'. I treat a rapper like a scrap of paper. Ball him up and burn him and turn him into vapor. See, I can make a whack MC flee to Canada. Oh, fuck it, you could kick the bucket like a janitor. You and your manager, cause whoever handed you that